Through this poem, My Mother at 66, the poetess Kamla Das has brought out the themes of aging, a natural phenomenon, brevity of human life, certainty of death, fear of death, that is thanatophobia, paradox of human relationships, our responsibilities towards our loved ones, and children's anguish. Here is the assignment for the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. In this assignment, the short questions are to be answered in 30 to 40 words each. You need to refer to your Flamingo NCERT textbook and the video sessions presented to you for the explanation of this poem. The first question is, when did Kamla Das return to Cochin from her parents' house? When you read the poem, you will know that Kamla Das visited her mother's house. So when did she return back to Cochin airport? It is when that is to be answered. The second question is, how did she reach Cochin airport? The mode of transport. Who accompanied her? That is also given in the poem. The next question is, what did Kamla Das notice about her mother on her way to the airport? When Kamla Das was going back to the airport from her parents' house, she noticed something peculiar about her mother. So what was that? Okay, that needs to be answered. The next question is, what did Kamla Das feel on seeing her mother sitting beside her in the car? Here, the feelings. Looking at her mother, what feelings generated in Kamla Das' heart? You need to explain it in your own words. The next question is, why did the poet shift her glance and looked out of the car's window? Here, the key point should be that why she didn't continue looking at her mother. Okay? Why did she start looking outside of the car's window? The next question is, how is the scene inside the car contrasted with outside? In the previous two questions, you can make out that what was the scene inside the car, and you need to contrast it with the scene outside the car. And why is this comparison shown? Why has the poetess done that? What does she want to convey to the readers through those contrast ideas? The next question is, how did Kamla Das feel on looking at her mother from airport's security check? So here the poetess has already reached the airport security check and she had a last look at her mother at the security check. So how did she feel? What all thoughts came to her mind? You need to explain that. The next question is, you need to list the expressions used by the poetess in the poem to describe her mother. The poem is full of figure of speech. You need to describe the expressions particularly to describe the poetess' mother, and you have to explain each phrase and do write that which figure of speech is used in those expressions. The next question is, why has the poetess described the image of merry children spilling out of their homes? What was the purpose? We do see so many things while traveling from one place to another. Do we mention each and everything? Do we focus on each and everything? So why did the poetess do that? The next question is, what do the parting words of the poetess and her smile signify? When you reach the end of the poem, you will understand that how the parting is displayed. How the poetess looked at her mother, what did she say, why did she smile? You have to give the reason. The last question on this slide is, what is the theme of the poem? To understand the theme of the poem, whatever issues are highlighted, they somewhere become the theme of the poem. So there are many issues which are highlighted in this poem through poetess' own feelings, experiences. So please highlight those themes. On this slide, you have the extracts followed by questions. So you need to read the whole poem to understand the questions, because some of the questions may not have the answers in the given lines. It's the global understanding of the poem that can be assessed through these questions. So the stanza which is displayed over here has the first question as identify the figure of speech worn pale as a late winter's moon. In this, you have to understand the meanings of the words and also imagine that what does winter's moon appear like and why it appears to be the way it appears. And then you have to relate it to the reference to the context. The next question is what old familiar ache is mentioned in the stanza? So, whose ache was it? Why is it described as old? Why is it familiar? All these words need to be explained. The next question is why did the poetess say, see you soon, Amma? Only. Only word is very important over here. When you depart from your loved ones, when you go away from them, you have so many things to share. Before you leave, you want to say so many things. But here, why only see you soon, Amma was uttered by poetess Kamla Das. That's very important. The next extract is driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. That's the beginning of the poem. The first question is why was the poetess mother accompanying her? You need to give the reason. The next question is what does the mother's appearance suggest? So you have to first understand that how she appeared and why the poetess has highlighted the same thing. The next question is how did the poetess feel? When? You have to explain that also, that when and how.